Have you ever pondered what it would be like if machines could think and learn like humans do? Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI, a field that has been constantly evolving, pushing boundaries and redefining possibilities. From the rudimentary Turing machines to complex neural networks, each step in this journey has been a leap forward. Now we're at the threshold of yet another breakthrough with the introduction of Chat GPT-5. As we delve into the latest AI Chronicles, we'll explore how Chat GPT-5 is taking AI to a whole new level. The world of AI was swept off its feet with the arrival of GPT-3, but now we have something even more exciting: Chat GPT-5. As we journey from GPT-3 to Chat GPT-5, we can't help but marvel at the leaps and bounds made in the field of artificial intelligence. GPT-3 was a game changer, yes, but Chat GPT-5, it's an entirely different beast. It's like comparing a horse-drawn carriage to a rocket ship. The key improvements of Chat GPT-5 over its predecessor are simply astounding. It's now capable of deeper understanding, better context retention, and exhibits more sophisticated, human-like responses. It's as if you're interacting with a well-informed, quick-witted individual, not a machine. The impact of these advancements on various sectors is profound. In education, it's like having an always available, patient tutor, capable of explaining complex concepts with ease. In healthcare, it can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, provide mental health support, and much more. In business, it's a tireless worker, analyzing data, generating reports, and even liaising with customers. But the influence of Chat GPT-5 extends beyond these sectors. It affects our everyday lives in ways we are only beginning to understand. It's an ever-ready assistant, a reliable source of information, a companion. With Chat GPT-5, we are witnessing the unfolding of a new chapter in AI, a chapter that promises to redefine our interaction with technology. In the recent AI Chronicles, there have been some game-changing developments. Artificial intelligence continues to evolve, surprising us at every turn with its capacity to learn, adapt, and innovate. Let's delve into the latest happenings in the realm of AI. Starting with breakthroughs, AI has made impressive strides in medical diagnostics, outperforming human doctors in identifying diseases from medical imagery. This is a significant milestone not just for AI, but for the healthcare industry as a whole, potentially saving countless lives in the process. In the realm of natural language processing, AI models like GPT-5 continue to push the boundaries, understanding and replicating human-like text in ways we could only dream of a decade ago. This has opened up a world of possibilities, from writing compelling narratives to answering complex queries with ease. However, it has not all been smooth sailing. AI continues to grapple with ethical issues and biases. The challenge lies in ensuring AI systems make decisions that are ethical and fair. Despite these hurdles, the AI community is working relentlessly to address these issues, creating more robust systems that can better understand and navigate the complexities of the real world. Looking towards the future, the potential of AI is limitless. The next frontier is to fuse AI with other technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, and quantum computing. This convergence will open up new avenues, from creating immersive experiences to solving problems that were previously thought impossible. In the world of AI, the journey is as exciting as the destination. Each day brings new challenges to solve, new boundaries to push, and new opportunities to explore. And we are all part of this journey, as these advancements in AI are not just changing the way we interact with technology, but are also shaping our future. As we stand on the brink of what could be the dawn of a new era, it's fascinating to consider what AI could bring next. We've journeyed together through the rise of Chat GPT-5, marveling at its capabilities and the impact it has had on our world. We've delved deep into the latest AI Chronicles, exploring the cutting-edge developments and breakthroughs that continue to reshape our understanding of artificial intelligence. Chat GPT-5 has brought us a new way of interacting with technology, a way that is more intuitive, more natural, and more engaging than ever before. It has shown us that AI isn't just about cold calculations and algorithms, but about understanding, empathy, and connection. In the AI Chronicles, we've seen the breadth and depth of this field, from groundbreaking research to practical applications that are changing lives and industries. We've seen how AI is not a distant future, but a present reality, and one that is evolving faster than we could have ever imagined. With AI continuing to evolve at a rapid pace, one can only imagine what the future holds. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and stay fascinated by the world of AI.